how to add Apple Cash to your wallet. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add your Apple Cash to your wallet. If you've got a balance, like from a gift card someone gave you, you can easily apply it to your wallet. Let's jump right into it. First, open your settings and scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, tap on Add Card. You'll see an option to add Apple account. This is what we are looking for. Tap on that. It will show you a message saying use your Apple account balance to purchase products, apps, games, music, and more. Go ahead and hit continue. Now it will pull up your Apple account. As you can see, I have a balance of 0, but if you have a balance, whether it's $10, $100, or more, just hit next at the top right. It will add that balance to your wallet. Once completed, your Apple account balance will be available in your wallet right alongside your other payment methods. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.